Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor X12 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's begin with opening the dialer and enter the code, which is *06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device, so let's tap on OK. And now another way through the settings, so let's open the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Scroll down again and go to the model and software version. And as you can see right in the middle, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.